Hello everybody, welcome to Revamp by Renee. So I realized we didn't have a proper introduction. So here is my virtual introduction to the world, or to everyone who is watching. My name is Renee. I am the creator of this channel. I am all things revamped. I do have a Facebook page that I started first, so a few months ago, and that is Revamped by Renee as well, and that will always be linked below. So if you want to check that out, go ahead and head over there. Follow me if you're enjoying what you see. Also, I am a mom to two beautiful little beings that I love with every breath that I take. Everything I do day in and day out is for their happiness, their health, and their safety, and I couldn't be happier and more blessed to have them and my husband in my life. I have so many people in my life that support me and build me up every day and push me. I recently had a loss. I lost somebody very pivotal in my life. My dad passed away in January. I'm going to do my best to not cry. I think it's crucial though that I let you guys know that, because it has shifted my life in a great way. I do feel I was a little bit too young to lose my dad, but I know there's nothing I can do with that. So it's just as real as it gets over here. So today's video is going to be a combination of styling how-tos as well as some personal tips and tricks that I have used in our home for years. They have stood the test of time and they are functional. So I don't change them because that means they work. So we are going to kind of bring it back to the basics and then elevate from there. And I hope that with everything said and shown in this video, you can kind of learn how to decorate in your home and not feel overwhelmed by all the trends. So with that said, let's jump into it, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you guys very soon. All right, let's go. Okay, so we are starting in our most used room in the house. So let's make this practical and functional. So grab a tablecloth. Mine was from Big Lots, and it was this bluish teal color, which I paired with this beautiful table runner that I got from Target. I loved the pops of color with the yellow and then the mini tassels. And then from HomeGoods, I picked up this trivet, as well as this creamy white crackled vase that had these gorgeous faux flowers that were teal and blue. How ironic. And so what I am doing here is I'm pulling off of the basics. So I'm starting with just your basic tablecloth, and then we're working our way up. So we're going to make that centerpiece pop by going a little bit more simplistic at the bottom, and then we're breaking up the elements with that trivet and pulling it all together, keeping it easy and breezy. Now for my tips and tricks. So I got a placemat for our oldest daughter who sits at the table for her meals, and it's customizable, so I put her name on it. And then I have always had some type of caddy in our dining room area for our essentials. So I grabbed this one from the Target dollar spot, and I put in some flashcards for our oldest daughter for a learning tool in the kitchen, as well as our wipes for the baby, and then our napkins that we always grab for, and then some extra suck pads for the baby's high chair. I placed it over on our microwave, which is kitty corner from our dining room table, so easy access. And then I paired in a simple neutral candle to finish this off. So now guests see a stylish but organized area that is functional for our dining room essentials. Next, we're hopping into our living room. So at this space, I needed to cover that cord. Okay, that's our TV cord that is from the TV hanging above my head. And I just wanted to kind of pull the attention away from that. So I grabbed this really chunky woven basket from HomeGoods, and it has these rounded corners, which is what I was going for. And then I love silver. So I found this really long, narrow vase that has this speckled effect on it. So it was so wonderful and beautiful. Then I grabbed a bundle of eucalyptus that was actually scented. I didn't realize it till I got home, but I was wondering why my car smelled so good when I was traveling home with this. So it's a nice little burst of scent when you walk into the living room. And then my little tip for when you're decorating with baskets, grab a narrower pillow. It's going to help not diminish the other elements in your basket. So I grabbed this beautiful textured orange and gray narrow pillow. And then I grabbed this throw blanket. It was actually a towel. The label said towel, but it was so thin, had this gauzy-like material, and it wouldn't bulk up my basket. So it worked. So if you see something and you like it, but it says it has a different use, nobody's gonna know. So I just draped it over each edge and then fluffed it up a little bit and then added my pillow back in and tucked it under that handle there to angle it so you could see the vase behind peeking through. And there you go. This really draws away from the outlet, which is what I really wanted to do, but it also fills in this space, which we have two of. We have a fireplace and then these two open spaces on each side. And I needed to not only pull away from the cord, so with getting that longer, narrow vase, as well as these tall eucalyptus bunches, it really fills in the upper vertical space as well as horizontally. So if you're ever interested in styling a basket, I hope that this helps you and gives you a starting point. And then, like I said, you would really only need to change out the blanket and the pillow for each season or a holiday. I would love it if you would mention your favorite part in this video or even your favorite piece of decor that I picked up at HomeGoods. And let me know what you gained from this video and any of the tips and tricks that you may take away for your own home. And with that said, I hope that you will consider subscribing and hit that thumbs up button while you're at it so that I can bring you some more content and videos similar to this. And with that said, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I cannot wait to see you in the next one. And thank you so much for watching. All right, everybody. I'll see you guys soon.